Hey, every year this happens. Same time, roughly, when all this vegetation just starts fucking shooting up. It gets so tall, it's almost impossible to fish through. But it's okay. Okay. I landed on a fish, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Guys. Okay. It's a pretty good bass. It's quite a good bass. All right. I'm so glad I got that. That's a tank. Look at that, guys. Damn. That's a 2 pound, 2.5 pound fish. I gotta bring my scale with me next time. That was amazing. I landed right on it. I think you guys saw that. That's a nice bass, guys. That's really nice. Gotta love it. Damn, okay. I don't know how that happens. When they land, like, when you land your lure right on it like that. I don't understand. Like, I must actually just be casting on the bass. Like, that's awesome.